It's opening day, March 15th. I didn't get to hunt this morning because it was storming so bad. It rained like 3 or 4 inches. But I'm just past the big field that we used to see the birds in, and there was like 20 out there with 2 gobblers. My dad just texted me and told me that. I'm out here now, right here where I've been hearing all these birds. I'm gonna go in on the backside of them where they've been roosting and just kind of ease it and take it slow to see if, I can hear there's like 20 hens, so they're gonna make some noise. But my dad said one of the birds was strutting, so he'll definitely be gobbling or spitting and drumming. So I'm gonna get in here and get quiet and just see what happens to me. The rain's gone, so maybe they're ready to do something. Alright, we just got set up and ready to go. I made a little makeshift blind out of a sweet gum limb that had fallen. It looks good in here. There's tons of scratching in here. This is right where they've been roosting. They were straight west about an hour ago. It's about, let's see, probably 1:30 or 2 o'clock. Let me look real quick. It's actually 2:15 right now. I'm just going to stay in here till dark and just shut up. I mean, I might call just a little bit, but not much. Still haven't heard anything yet, but they may just be out of earshot. They just gobbled. Probably 200 yards straight west of me. It seems like they may be coming this way. I'm just going to stay put. They're just in these bottoms right out in front of me straight west, so hopefully they'll be headed this direction. I hear the hens, they've definitely gotten closer. They're probably 150 or so. They're definitely easing this way. I haven't heard a gobble in a while, but they gotta be with them. Yeah. Definitely coming this way. Here they come. Alright, it's March 16th. It's 5:50, 46 degrees. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful out here. We got all that storm out of here last night, and now it's just as beautiful as can be. Perfectly calm and no wind and blue skies and a lot of stars out. So, I mean, it should be a good day. If they don't gobble, I'll be extremely surprised. We're headed out here to this spot. I doubt they're going to be too far from where they last gobbled the last time I heard those hens yelp yesterday. So I'm going to get in there decently close, probably 150, 200 yards from where I think they may be, and just get in there and get quiet. I got plenty of time, probably 30 minutes till I hear the first gobble possibly. So hopefully they'll get up and talk to me a little bit. But we're headed out there and should be there in about 5 minutes and get on my bike and head that way, so we'll see. Up here, probably more hens than just that one, but he's gobbling really good. So hopefully we'll be able to do something with him. He's probably 150 yards at the most. I love it. Got hens to my right. It's not far at all. It might be on the ground now. I'm not sure. got so many hens in there, it's going to be hard to compete with them. They're starting to fly down. That turkey is not far. He may be 100 yards, I don't know. There he is right there. There's a turkey at least. All the hens are at 20 yards. Here he comes. I just saw him fly down. He's coming. Don't go that way. Came into 20 yards. I just heard a drum and a spit. He's right there somewhere. Not far. They're all fighting over there. Gosh dang. They are beating each other up. I can't believe he wasn't with those hens. They were 20 yards. If he'd have been behind them, he'd have been done. Right there. It's right there. 40 yards. Yeah, you're drumming. Jake's at 10 yards. Here goes the whole flock. Like 8 Jays just came into like 10 yards. I guarantee that's why that bird hadn't gobbled much on the ground. He was in range without a shadow of a doubt. He was just under this hill right here. I couldn't see him. That turkey had to have been 40 yards when he gobbled. I bet they were beating him up over there. That's what all that noise was. so they came back over here to beat him up again. Are you kidding me? I jumped when he gobbled. I mean, he was right there. I could hear him spitting and drumming just over the hill. Wow. I don't think you can get any closer than that without shooting one. Golly. If it had been flat in there, he'd have been dead. I mean, that bird could not have been more than 40. He was right there. I thought about standing up and looking and see if I could kill him. I should have crawled over there to him. I just didn't know if he was going to come over the hill or not. Oh man, he was right there. Alright, the bird hadn't gobbled in a while. I mean, it's probably been 20 minutes since I saw those jakes. I've been calling a few times and nothing. There's a few fields down here, though. I bet they're headed that way. They can't be too terribly far. It's so open in here, though. I might take it slow. I'm just going to ease down and see if I can see them in the fields.